Yes, with lower levels of humidity, these temperatures are pretty bearable, and even with readings up into the upper 80s the next few days, the humidity levels will still be fairly reasonable as we go through the next several days, not like we typically see in July and August. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, lots of clear skies today. I didn't see any clouds out there as I was out, and really not much to speak of across the eastern half of the country. As we take a look at the rest of the U.S., can see quite a bit of storminess out towards the west, and that's very typical. We see quiet weather on one half of the country, and we'll see that storminess out on the western side. And you might even be able to track that jet stream taking this big dip, this big trough out towards the west, and a big ridge here in the east, and that's allowing all that warm air to continue to move in. And as this ridge drifts eastward, we'll continue to see even warmer temperatures over the next few days. Eventually, some of this unsettled weather will work its way in, and of course, that'll be just in time for the weekend. So as we take a look at futurecast, again, mainly just a temperature forecast, as we'll have clear nights and sunny days for the next 2 days. Temperatures 6 o'clock in the low 80s, into the 60s by 9 o'clock, and will likely be in the 50s by 11 o'clock with that wind continuing out of the south fairly light. And overnight lows tonight in the 50s to around 60 degrees, and that's where we will start the day on Wednesday. Once again, lots of sunshine, those temperatures climbing quickly on southwest breezes to the lower 80s by noon and into the upper 80s. Again, wouldn't be surprised if a car thermometer or bank thermometer registers 90 degrees tomorrow. Air temperatures likely in the mid-80s. We'll go about 87 degrees for an afternoon high. Clear skies through the rest of the evening and tomorrow night. Temperatures back in the 60s. And then looking ahead towards Thursday, much of the same. Starting the day in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees. Temperatures climbing on Thursday under sunny skies once again back up to around 87 degrees. Beautiful shot here. This is our camera on top of Nauticus looking across the Elizabeth River. Again, not a cloud in the sky. A temperature of 80 degrees. Northeast winds at 9 miles per hour. That's right near the coastline. We get that sea breeze setting up where temperatures are in the 70s up across the eastern shore. Then along the Outer Banks, you move just a little bit inland, and readings are in the low 80s. 84 degrees, the warmer spot in Williamsburg. 74, though, out in Virginia Beach, and 66 in Duck. Again, the influence of the water there, keeping those coastal areas cooler. But later tonight, mainly clear, down to 57 degrees, and tomorrow, mostly sunny, even warmer than today, up to 87, 63 and clear tomorrow night, and 87 again on Thursday with mostly sunny skies, and the warm weather sticks around for Friday as well, a high temperature of 87. Then we watch the weekend. A cold front will approach on Saturday. That'll give us some clouds, drop those temperatures. Also a chance at a few isolated showers. They will continue into Sunday. A little bit of a better chance, a 40% chance of rain on Sunday, 75, 74 with isolated showers on Monday as that unsettled weather on the western half of the country settles in here by the weekend.